Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Straw Bale Gardens is probably one of the most innovative and space-saving gardening techniques available today, allowing anyone to cultivate fresh produce even in the smallest urban environments or on patios, transforming barren spaces into vibrant, productive edible landscapes with minimal effort and maximum yield, making it an ideal solution for both novice and experienced gardeners seeking a sustainable and efficient way to grow their own food. Number 5. Straw Bale Gardens Complete. Discover the revolutionary way to garden with Straw Bale Gardens Complete. It's the simplest method for growing your own fresh produce. Transform any space into a thriving garden. Our system allows you to garden on patios, balconies, or even in your backyard. Experience accelerated plant growth and enjoy bountiful harvests. The unique straw bale method promotes healthier, more productive plants. Say goodbye to backbreaking work. With this system, there's no need for tilling or constant weeding, making gardening a joy. Everything you need is in the box. Get started right away with our all-inclusive kit designed for success. Enjoy the taste of homegrown goodness. Grow your own organic vegetables and herbs with confidence and ease. What we like. This guide offers a complete method for straw bale gardening. It covers all the essential techniques you need to succeed. If you are a beginner looking for a thorough introduction, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. Straw bale gardening is a fairly new technique that has swept the gardening world by storm in recent years, and there are a number of books about it available for Kindle. Joel Karsten, the author of this book, is the foremost authority in the field, and this is a new completely revised edition of his original book about straw bale gardening published in 2013. It can be done successfully by almost anyone, from beginners to experienced experts, no matter where you live or how much space you have available for planting. It can even be done on driveways, patios, rooftops, or balconies. It requires very little labor. You can easily set up your garden in a couple of hours. Weeds and pests are almost non-existent, and correct watering is simple, particularly if you set up soaker hoses with a timer as the author recommends. Overwatering is almost impossible since excess water quickly drains through the bales. Number 4. Straw Bale Solutions. Creative vegetable growing tips. Discover the revolutionary way to grow your own vegetables. Straw bale gardening offers a unique and effective method for cultivating fresh produce. Transform any space into a thriving garden, from your backyard to community plots. It's a versatile solution for growers everywhere. Learn creative tips and techniques to make your straw bale garden a success. Enjoy bountiful harvests with minimal effort. This guide provides practical advice for home gardeners and community projects alike. Expand your growing horizons with this innovative approach. Master the art of growing vegetables in straw bales. It's an accessible and rewarding gardening experience for everyone. Embrace a new era of gardening with straw bale solutions. Experience the joy of growing fresh, healthy food wherever you are. What we like. Explore creative tips and diverse applications for growing vegetables in bales. It showcases examples from various settings, including home and community gardens worldwide. If you enjoy innovative approaches and want to see how others have succeeded globally, this resource will inspire you. What people say. Mr. Karsten showcases gardeners from around the world, detailing the special challenges each faced and how straw bales changed the way they planted and grew food. The accompanying pictures are equally as impressive as the stories. Now in our 3rd year, we're having great success with Joel Karsten's straw bale gardening methods that it's the easiest method of gardening anywhere. Number 3. Straw Bale Gardens Complete, Updated Edition. Discover a breakthrough method for growing vegetables anywhere. This updated edition offers a simpler, more effective way to garden. Imagine harvesting fresh produce from your own space, no matter how small. This gardening technique makes it possible. Enjoy your harvest sooner than you thought possible. Plus, say goodbye to the tedious task of weeding. Tired of battling weeds? This innovative approach significantly reduces or eliminates them, giving you more time to enjoy your garden. This complete guide has been updated to bring you the latest insights and techniques. It's perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Transform your gardening experience with this proven method. Get ready for an abundant and effortless harvest. What we like. Discover a breakthrough method for growing vegetables anywhere, earlier, and with no weeding. This updated edition refines a revolutionary approach to gardening. If you want to maximize your harvest time and minimize garden chores, this book is designed for you. What people say. The book thoroughly discusses everything about the straw bale method. How to find straw, how to arrange the bales in your garden, different arrangement ideas, how to get the bales ready for planting, watering, what plants well in the bales and what doesn't, how to plant in the bale, how many plants to put per bale, etc. He discusses building trellises and how the trellis can serve multiple uses. In the beginning of the process, you can use the trellis to create a greenhouse, protect the plants from adverse weather, and train plants to grow up. It has a lot of pictures of straw bale gardens in different configurations that look very pretty. He has a section where each vegetable gets a discussion about how to plant it, recommended varieties that he likes, general plant care, harvesting info, etc. Number 2. Storey Basics Growing Vegetables in Straw Bales. Discover the simple way to grow your own fresh vegetables. This method makes planting a breeze and keeps weeds at bay. Learn how to transform straw bales into a productive garden. It's an accessible and effective technique for any gardener. Tired of constant weeding? This approach significantly reduces the time you spend on garden maintenance, letting you enjoy more harvests. Experience the joy of an earlier harvest. You'll be enjoying fresh produce sooner than you thought possible with this innovative method. This guide provides all the essential information you need. Start growing delicious vegetables with ease and enjoy the benefits of this unique gardening style. What we like. This title focuses on easy planting, less weeding, and early harvests. It's presented as a basic, accessible guide for quick results. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss way to get started with straw bale gardening and enjoy a fast harvest, this is an excellent choice. What people say. In compact form, it summarizes the properties of the straw bale growing environment, means to maximize productivity, basic materials needed and best sources, bale location selection and solutions for potential location selection problems, plant support, feeding and watering considerations, as specific suggestions for successful bale growth of a variety of vegetables, a brief section on dealing with some of the most common problems, and considerations valuable when planning ahead to most. Easily get the best future gardening benefit from used bales. The advantage of this method is that it takes minimal labor and setup time. No ground preparation, because no ground, just straw bales. This is a great book preparing a lasagna garden, but I think I will use some straw bales in it, too, and in other places in the yard. Clear and specific as to how many plants to put in each bale and how much regular or organic fertilizer in each bale. Number 1. Straw bale gardening made easy. Discover the revolutionary way to grow your own food. Straw bale gardening offers a simple, soil-free method for a bountiful harvest. Don't have a traditional garden space? No problem. You can transform any area into a thriving vegetable patch with this innovative technique. Setting up is incredibly straightforward, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your plants grow. It's gardening made accessible for everyone. These bales provide a nutrient-rich environment for your plants, leading to healthier growth. Plus, it's a wonderfully sustainable way to garden. Experience the joy of harvesting more produce with less physical effort. This method is designed for convenience and maximum yield. Ready to start your own successful garden? It's time to embrace this efficient and rewarding method. Get started today and enjoy fresh, homegrown food. What we like. This offers practical, step-by-step advice for straw bale gardening. It's designed to be very beginner-friendly. If you're new to gardening or specifically new to straw bale techniques and want clear, actionable instructions, this is the ideal resource to get you growing quickly. What people say. The straw bale process is for the person who is tired of tilling, trying to improve soil condition, weeding, constant watering, etc. The book is a well-written, fairly quick read, and it contains many, nice, color images. The author leads the reader, step by step, through an easy procedure of choosing a spot and preparing the bales, to watering, feeding, and harvesting your crops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.